Hello guys, so welcome to this new episode of Market Kya Lagta Hai. We are here to talk about Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis for the coming week. And today is 1st of July, beginning of the new month, and this new month probably has brought some relief to us in terms of market. And in this video, I'm going to share my view about indices as well as the leading sector for this particular week in a very short 8 to 10 minutes video. So do watch this video till the very end so that I'll be able to give all the targets to you and you'll be able to plot those targets on your chart. So we'll start with Nifty analysis first. Last week we had seen a support level at 15,700 and throughout the entire week Nifty managed to stay above this level on the closing basis. So today when we saw a panic kind of a selling, it was due to Reliance news, and as Reliance corrected for more than 8% today, Nifty in otherwise it showed a good recovery, all thanks to the IT and banking sector. So we are closing here at 15,764. Let's look at the morning message. So I keep on sharing my observations about market every day. So these are called as daily observations or Market Kya Lagta Hai daily. And as per these observations, what I had shared here is Market Kya Lagta Hai for Friday 1st July. Nifty range may be 15,800 and 16,000. Bank Nifty range may be 33,500 and 34,500. So Bank Nifty is comfortably in this range. Nifty has drifted below this range because of Reliance, but very soon, very quickly, we are expecting it to bounce back. Range low for both the indices are important for an up move. So for us to get an up move, the range low, which was 15,800 and 33,500, these both levels are very important. Currently Nifty is 50 points below this critical level. So Monday, if it crosses above 15,800 or quickly take out 15,900, the bullish bias will keep on continuing. Now June month's closing prices important for both the indices on the closing basis. So today we have closed higher as compared to yesterday's close. Now most importantly, bullish bias is for ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, Axis Bank, Bajaj Finance, and all these stocks are there for a short period of time. So make most of these kind of targets. Now another footnote I would say to this particular message which I have given is July month has a potential to show us target of 16,000 as well as 14,400. So we are not decisively bullish as yet, and we'll get a clarity about where the market is headed in the next fortnight or so. So manage your position sizing in such a way that you make most of this particular move. Be agile while you are booking your profits. Overnight position must be kept with hedge. So whenever you are keeping a F&O position, try and understand what's a hedging position is. I'll explain that in a separate video in this particular week, what the hedging positions are or how we create hedged positions, what kind of a thought process that I have while creating a future position or while creating an option sell or short position. This is something that I'm going to explain in one of the video. Be agile while booking profits. HDFC Bank, the target is 1400. ICICI Bank is expected to be 750. Kotak Bank 1800 and SBI for a target of 500. So these are the banks which I'm expecting to outperform in this particular week. Outperformance has started from today itself, and that can be seen very well in the chart. So let's quickly go to Nifty chart to see how Nifty's today's action has panned out. So opening was above our support level. So opening level was around 15,708, and from those level we saw a very quick 1 hour fall. Reliance as well as Nifty and probably many stocks which are related to oil sector. So there is a taxation which is introduced on a oil that is being exported, right, from Indian companies by government. Okay, so as a result of which there was the Nifty price plummeted by another 100 points, and then it started its recovery from those levels. So here we are right now. If we measure this retracement, total retracement in case of Nifty, so this retracement is roughly around 50% retracement. So from 50% retracement, this is showing a stronger bullish bias. Now in this case, we were expecting, hoping that this target of 16,231 will get completed by 30th of June, which has not happened so far. So as a reward, we'll get a bigger target. Okay, so let's look at it. How is it practically possible for us to get a new target. I'm just deleting this, and I'm also deleting this 16,031 as a target, because these targets are not reached and we have got another high as per Fibonacci calculations, Fibonacci tool. We are going to use this level. So as per Fibonacci, if we plot from this low to the high of the rally, we got a 50% retracement here. But what is interesting is that we are getting a target at around 16,129. This is going to be our target, and I'm just dragging this ahead. So this was one of the target which got completed, 16,129.85. So this is our target, 16,129.85. You can round it off to 16,130 as well. That's perfectly all right. So this is my first target, and the second target, I am not very sure whether this target will reach here or not, but we have a second target here at target 2, 16,387. Okay, so these are my two targets for Nifty. First is 16,129, but in between this, I will also be cautious about a zone. I'll also be cautious about a zone. Now this zone is going to be a zone of phase wherein, okay, so what is the expected level here? Okay, so 250, and this should be 200, right? So 16,200 and 16,250, this will be a critical zone. Okay, so if we get price somewhere here, there is a great amount of possibility that the trend might reverse from here. Okay, so I'll call this as a potential reversal zone. Okay, this is what. So for Nifty, we have a price which is comfortably above 15,700 now. This is good for us. Once it crosses above 15,800, there is no looking back. Then the first target we are expecting is 16,129. Possibility of a second target, but in between this is a zone where we need to be cautious. So this zone is 16,200 dash 16,250, a 50-point zone. And I want you guys to be cautious here. That does not mean you book positions and sit tight or short it. No, don't work on assumption. Wait for a confirmation, and then on the basis of that, we can take a trade. Now in similar terms, if we start looking at Bank Nifty also managed to stay above the support level of 33,500, and it is comfortably closed above this level. Now again, in case of Bank Nifty as well, if we check the Fibonacci retracement level, so from this high to this low, when I am measuring this Fibonacci retracement, the Fibonacci retracement is roughly around 50%. It has just overshot this 50% level, but then completed level, if we see, it is at 50% level. So this is a very healthy kind of a Fibonacci retracement, and as a result of which we can expect a very quick bounce in Bank Nifty. So the target that I am looking at for Bank Nifty can be 36,650. So target that we are looking for Bank Nifty is 34,652. And second target we are expecting is somewhere around 35,300. 295 can also be a good target. Okay, this is target 2. Okay, so target 2 for Bank Nifty, these are two targets. Now, if we are expecting Bank Nifty to outperform with respect to Nifty. Last week also I mentioned about that the banking stocks are going to perform. This entire week has gone into formation of a higher low. So from here, next week is going to be a very euphoric kind of a move. And if that has to happen, I'm going to focus on 4 banks, as I have mentioned in my morning message as well. So HDFC Bank is something that I'm looking at, currently trading at 1353, expecting a target of 1404 and second target of around 14,096. Now this level is a 50% retracement of this fall. Okay, so this entire fall, the 50% retracement is 1496. So this 1500 level can be one of the target. For State Bank of India, the target comes to around 500. Okay, 500 is the level which I'm looking at. It's also a retracement target. For ICICI Bank, the first target comes to around 744 to 750. Okay, once it crosses that, then there is a possibility of 800, but I'll cautious you to be comfortable with the target, first target. Let's be focusing on the first target only, and then we'll take a review of the situation. For Kotak Bank, currently it is trading at 1667. I'm expecting a first target of 1700, right? And the second target which I'm expecting is around 1800. Okay, these are the 2 targets that I'm expecting. This gap can also get filled. So these are 2 targets that I'm expecting for Kotak Bank. Banking sector is something that is going to fire up in this particular week. Guys, if you are keen on trading, then make most of these moves, and do let me know in the comment section how helpful this video was, or do you need any specific input with respect to technical analysis. Please let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much.